You can't go to school without a knapsack. Keep the cover of a toothpaste box and cut it into 1-inch wide pieces. Now grab some glue and fasten the pieces together. Put some craft foam above and below the cardboard and glue a piece just below the end of the cardboard. Press it down with a ruler. You'll want to do this on 3 of the 4 sides. Cut off around the cardboard, keeping some foam on the open end. Now make a front pouch. Get some jewelry rings and fasten them as buttons on the pouch. Use your glue gun to secure the front pocket. Now turn your backpack over and round out the top corners. Cut 2 top slits and insert some little straps. Now's the time to make the shoulder strap. Add it on and wow, Barbie is ready for school. Her friend wishes she had one of her own. Make as many as you want. It's so cool because you can open it and add all the school supplies Barbie will need. A+. Pencil case. Barbie needs a pencil case for art class. For this hack, we'll need an empty toothpaste tube, so save that toothpaste for later. Cut off about 1 inch from the end and get rid of the indented bits. Now get a zipper, zip it open to about 1 inch from the end, and trim off the extra ends. Hot glue your mini zipper into the tube. Now hot glue both ends of the zipper and insert them like this. This zipper part is complete. Now cover the tube sides with your favorite nail polish color. Once it's dry, add Barbie's school supplies and zip it closed. So cute! Now Barbie's all ready for class. She even has a study buddy. Pencils and erasers. Help Barbie ace that test. Cut about 3 inches of black wire and twist it like this. Then shape the ends by curling them in. These are the cutest scissors ever. Take a toothpick and snap it in half. Then cut a strip of paper the width of the toothpick piece. Hot glue it to the wood and roll it around, using hot glue to seal it closed. Now take some nail polish and cover both ends. For the other toothpick, you can use decorative tape and wrap it around. Don't forget to paint those tips. Wow, look! Aren't these adorable? Barbie will love coloring with these. Look at her go! Pen holder. Now we need a pen holder for all these pencils. Grab a thick straw and cut off about 1 inch. Then wrap some aluminum foil and glue it to the bottom of the straw. Rip off all the foil and cut off the excess dried glue. Now get some cute decorative tape and wrap the bottom part. You can use another design on top. Cut it to size and admire your creation. Help Barbie clean up by putting all her school supplies in the pencil holder. So cute! It looks so real too. Barbie is loving it. School uniform. Make Barbie the prettiest uniform ever. Grab some black fabric and trace a circle with a 10-inch diameter. Then trace a 5-inch diameter circle in the middle. Cut it out so it looks like a donut. Then grab some stretchy lace and make holes all around the middle circle. Then add the holes on a big sewing needle and thread the lace through. Make sure you get all the holes and then tie off the end. Now fold up some white material 2 times over. On the folded end, trace this shape, then cut it out. Cut out the corner for the neck and unfold the material. Now sew both sides of the shirt closed. This is going to be so cute. When you're done, fold it inside out. Barbie is looking so cute. She is dressed to impress. Fuzzy notebook. Make Barbie the notebook of her dreams. Grab some cardboard and trace a 4x6 centimeter rectangle. Cut it out and trace it on a piece of white paper. Fold the paper in half and mark out the sides of the rectangle. Keep folding until you have a 4-panel accordion. Cut it out. Then fold the paper in half to make the notebook pages. Get some pipe cleaners and cut them 6 centimeters long. Then glue them on your notebook cover. Line up the pages and staple them together. Then hot glue the pages to the notebook. Get a small piece of lace and make a little bookmark.